What's up, guys? Welcome to the Freedom Factory. This is where I'm going to be sharing a bunch of tips, tools, tricks, and training to get you up to speed with the newest technology, software, and automation tools that you can use to scale your business. Whether you're brand new or a seasoned veteran, I'm going to have tools, training, automation, and software to help you grow your business online. I like real estate investing. I like entrepreneurs. I like working with motivated people who are willing to put in the work, but also want some tools to make things easier and free up their time. So if that sounds like you, be sure to subscribe. We have new videos every week with new tools, training, and use case studies to show you how to scale an online business from scratch. That sounds good, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.